Hey, hello everyone, this is Diana Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you what is the fastest way to make money online. But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you about what is the fastest way to make money online. And let me tell you, there are several ways to make money online. Okay, if you browse, if you do a quick search on Google, on YouTube, you're gonna find really crazy ways to make money online. But I'm gonna give you, for me, like what is the fastest way to make money online. I'm gonna give you the reason, and this is a way that is a game changer. It changed my life forever. Okay, so if you're looking for a reliable way to make money online, I can tell you that the fastest way it's with affiliate marketing. And what is this? It's because, first of all, you don't need to create a product. It's really great to create a product. It's really great, to teach people how to do certain things, but we need to be honest. This is time consuming. If you really want to deliver something that is high quality, you need to have the time to deliver the product. So it can take months, even it can take years, especially if this is the very first time you are creating your own product. Maybe you are doing a video course, maybe you're thinking about doing a webinar. What if you're trying to do a value ladder? So that means that you're going to have more than one product. Okay? And technology is changes, and sometimes you're trying to teach something and boom, when you finish it, they just change everything. The algorithm, the dashboard, a new version, and now your information is out of date. So yeah, I know that there are different platforms in which you can put your courses in, and that's great. And also you can have customers, right? Let's say that you're providing a service online, but again, if you want to have something great and amazing, it's gonna take time if you really want to have everything up and running. Okay, and this is like the fastest way to make money online. The other thing is about affiliate marketing is the fact that the only job is to refer people to a product. It's just to drive traffic to a product. That's it. We don't deal with customer service. We don't deal with upset customers. We don't take or process payments. So we don't need to be figured out ways to take payments, which is actually great, right? We just drive traffic to the offer. Of course, there is certain skills, training, and knowledge that you need to have. Okay, because you need to know how to create a simple funnel. You need to know how to do email marketing. You need to do a review. So there is certain skills, again, that you need to develop. And if you're really serious about making money online, this is something that you should be doing every single day. You should be learning something new every single day, right? And by the way, if you want to know a training that changed my life forever, I'm gonna leave the link below. It's going to be the very first link in the description. If you actually want to join the exact training that changed not only the skills, the marketing strategies and everything, but also the mindset, which is really, really important. If you want to make money online, you need to have a really strong mindset. You need to have a vision of what you want to accomplish. Okay, so that's going to be the very first link in the description. But as I mentioned, there are tons of benefits with affiliate marketing. As long as you partner with the right product, you're going to have everything that you need. Okay, because most of them, I'm talking about serious products, they have a really high quality product. They have funnels, right? And most of the time they're gonna give you everything that you need, but you need to put your own tone, your own voice. Okay, so again, you need to have training, you need to develop skills, and you need to be serious about your business if you want to grow and scale, and you want to have an income that is going to be a life changer income. So if you're looking for a way, to learn about this, again, click the very first link in the description. And this is, for me, the fastest and easiest way to make money online. It's thanks to affiliate marketing. This is it for this video. If you find some golden nuggets, please give me a thumbs up. That's gonna help me, it's gonna help my video, it's gonna help my channel. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.